If elected, will you work to keep the bathrooms open until the period closing time?
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you. The next question. Name your favorite bakery cafe shop in the West Village.
I guess tea and sympathy.
You know, I like ready to eat on Hudson Street in Charles.
The next question. Today, the City Council voted to override the mayor's decision on the two bills addressing discriminatory policing. Do you support the City Council's decision?
On the override, yes, I do support the council decision.
On both?
On both?
Yes.
On both, yes, absolutely.
Yes, as well.
Thank you. If elected, will you commit to supporting a City Council resolution banning the use of condoms as evidence of intent to engage in prostitution-related offenses?
Without a doubt,
Yes,
yes.
absolutely.
True Blood or Vampire Diaries?
True Blood.
I guess I actually have to agree with Gloria on that. True blood. Yes.
Do you support mayoral candidate John Liu's proposal to legalize marijuana in New York City?
I would support, I'm not familiar with his bill, but I support medical, legalization of medical marijuana, if that's what it is, I certainly support that.
I don't know the bill, I support medical marijuana and also decriminalizing marijuana.
Do you support Mayor Bloomberg's proposal to add fingerprinting devices to residents of Windsor?
No.
No.
If elected, would you support NYCHA leasing land to private developers to build private housing?
No.
No.
If you were deserted on an
No.
island, who would you take with you, Melissa Harris Perry or Rachel Maddow?
Rachel Maddow.
Rachel Maddow.
Do you believe that current Medicaid policies that don't cover transgender healthcare needs, such as hormones and surgeries, are just?
No, they're not just. They're unjust.
Unjust.
One word to describe your personality.
Outspoken.
Honest.
Please correct me if I'm wrong. Over any circumstance, would you vote for Chris Quinn in primary?
I'm not making an endorsement of the mayoral contest.
That's not the question.
I'm focused on my race.
You should have to really answer the question too.
Yes or no to the no?
Sometimes no yes or no. I'm not endorsing the mayoral contest.
But that's not the question.
Ask the question again.
Over any circumstance, would you vote for Chris Quinn in primary?
I suppose I can imagine the situation, yes.
This is a two-part question. Will you accept Lulu payments? And what about slush funders?
Those are lightning round questions?
Yeah, it's not entirely lightning round. These questions.
Okay, will you accept slush?
That's not an answer, no. I mean, there's a slush fund that exists, and I believe that the memorandum process should be reformed.
I will not accept slush funds. I think you mean discretionary funds, and what I would look to do is work with the Progressive Caucus and employ what they have put in place called participatory budgeting. Participatory budgeting is a tremendous experiment in making sure that there's accountability and oversight in
Thank
these
you,
funds.
Yetta. I just want to clarify, these last four lightning round questions are from the audience. The phrasing, you might not know that. So thank you. The next question is, are you for immediate ban of horse carriages?
No.
Yes.
Are you for immediate ban of horse carriages?
Yes.
Will being a city councilman be your only and full-time job?
Yes.
I have a law firm, and I also have a radio show. So much as those didn't impact in any way the work that I do in city council, I would imagine I would
Yes or
step
no?
out from the prep. this law, and but maybe I'll have my radio show, I'll have to see if it is doing my job.
And at this point, that concludes our 11